Let me ask you a question. Do you want to be a lifelong learner? Yes? Then keep watching this video.
Hey, this is Rajiv Kumar Love, the life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. Through my videos, I want to inspire you to improve your life and achieve your goals.
In this video, I want to give you some tips on how to be a lifelong learner. So here we go. Number 1. Make it a point to learn something new every day about your job. Number 2. Get out of your comfort zone. If you are afraid of expressing your opinion in a meeting, then join a workshop on improving your assertive communication skills. Number 3. Empathize with clients and co-workers to understand what challenges they face. Use your learning as a basis for improving your responsiveness to their needs. Number 4. Look at your work from a different perspective. Ask, is this the best way? Number 5. Be flexible. Don't let your mind close itself off to new ideas. Number 6. Listen to what others have to say and learn from their experience. So, I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting more cool videos like this.
So thanks for watching this video. This is Rajiv Kumar Love, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So see you again in my next video. Until then, take care.